welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to copy Catriona Gray's makeup pageant look. So she mentioned that this is pretty much the same look that she did during the Miss Universe pageant for her coronation. Just a disclaimer, this is not a makeup transformation, this is just a makeup inspiration by our Miss Universe Catriona Gray. So let's get right into the video. Skincare.
Usually, I like to just use my micellar water just to cleanse my face after washing my face. It's quick, it's easy. You know, when you're backstage, you sometimes don't have access to a sink. And then I'll usually go serum. Usually with my product.
Wait. Eye cream.
I love an eye cream that has a green tint because I just feel like you hit two birds with one stone in the fact that I like to use it around my nose and also places that I get dry and red because the green helps combat that red.
Lucas Papaw, I don't have that.
Oh my god, I've been using this since I was in high
Going to use just this one.
for pageantry and for shows. I love makeup.
Primer.
Anti-primer. Just because I feel like it takes my skin. I love primer.
Wait. Primer.
And for
Foundation.
I love the NARS
Foundation.
natural finish. I like to work from the center outwards. I don't like when I have foundation all the way up here because then it doesn't blend. The thing that I love nowadays is our cameras are HD. Like, it's not back in the day when it used to be like stage makeup because there was no cameras and you had to really cater to the audience seeing you from such a distance. Now the cameras zoom up into your face and they see everything, so you can really get away with a sheer
Baking.
put of beauty powder and underneath the eyes I am
Translucent powder.
going to bake. Also because it's gonna catch my
Underneath
fall.
the eyes.
Out from my eyeshadow. I have quite a small lid,
Eyeshadow.
and I have quite an almond eye, so I really like to accentuate it and bring the shadows out. So the first thing I like to do is I like to take like a champagne highlight color that's not too shimmery. I like to drag that on my brow bone. And this is an eyebrow palette that's really affordable. And I just take it and I start to map out the shape of where I want my shadows to go. So I kind of do a straight line out to start my feline slant. Some crazy colors, but I love it because if ever I want to play up with the base of my color, I can go in with like a pink or a blue, but usually I gravitate towards these. So I'm going to take a mixture of these two colors here. I'm going to take my eyebrow palette again, just working in a darker shadow into the outer corner. So for the base of my shimmer, I honestly a beauty holy grail. You shouldn't curl too much if you're putting false eyelashes because otherwise your lashes are literally going to apply. I'm going to reapply just on the corners just for that extra security because I always find when a lash starts to budge, it'll come off either in the corner or on the side. Put it as close to the lash line as possible. So those are the first layer of lashes. I'm going to go into the second. second just because this is my pageant glam.
I'm going to skip that step of adding a second layer to the fall blushes.
Time to dust off.
It's time to dust off the fall blush.
I like to do this with like sheer powder, which is a warmer low sheer powder. I kind of like it when my hair I have like glow or like lightness. So I just do a little bit of product. To contour, I like to go in with a highlight down the center of my nose. So I'm just taking it on small So that is the red lip.
The red lip.
Let's do setting spray. Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me.
Okay, so right now I don't have a sash, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are also inspired to recreate Catriona Gray's Miss Universe Coronation Nights makeup. Let us all remember that we are all beautiful inside and out. I hope you can give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what would you like to see next on my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay confident. Bye guys.